Understanding how to effectively navigate and move between the different roles in Dynamics 365 Business Central is essential for maximizing productivity. You can create a seamless experience tailored to your specific responsibilities by customizing the home page views of the roles you use most often. But in order to do that, you need to know how to change your role. There are multiple ways to access and change roles in Business Central. On your home screen, you can select the Role Center menu button in your navigation bar. This will open the full list of options and settings available to you based on your current role. This menu allows you to navigate to different functionalities across Business Central by category. You can also view and choose from a full list of available roles by selecting Explore More Roles. From this view, it is easy to find roles based on department. If you already know which role you want to use, you can make the change through your Settings menu in the top right corner of your application bar by selecting My Settings. Then, click on the first set of ellipses next to the name of your current role. This will open a list of only your available roles. To change your role, simply click on the name of the role you want to switch to. Making a new role selection will automatically return you to the My Settings menu, where you will see your new role title in the first line. To apply the changes, click on the OK button at the bottom of the menu. Once your home screen refreshes, you will see that the data in your Activities and Insights sections has changed to reflect the current role. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to navigate the Role Center and change your role in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have questions, you can enter them in the comments below, or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.